Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are back with another how-to guide here. This one we are looking at setting up your life and health products, which is very simple, very straightforward. Kind of give you kind of a walkthrough on how to do it as well as why it's helpful for you. So exactly as it sounds like, you're going to come in here and input any life or health product that you sell. It can be several different types of term, whole, UL, index UL. You can have short-term, long-term disability, whatever. Any sort of product that you sell, you are going to want to make sure that you put it in here so that when you are moving them through your life and health pipeline, you have the correct products available that you're quoting them. And then again, you can base automations based off of what type of product it is that they have, or which product it is that you're quoting them. And then again, in the future, you can run some reports and try to find some people that have, maybe a 10-year term, and you want to see if you can get them to convert it to a whole life, just for an example. So make sure that you have all of the correct products in here so that you can sell better later. And hopefully that's helpful, and hopefully that all made sense. I'll talk to you guys soon.